Hello friends, my name is Smith Saw and in today's video I'm going to compare Rocket.net hosting with WPX hosting and we will see which hosting is faster, WPX or Rocket.net. So it is like speed comparison of both hosting, like which one we will see which hosting is faster, WPX hosting or Rocket.net hosting. So as you can see, actually what happened that some of my friends migrated their site from WPX hosting to Rocket.net and they shared their experience that Rocket.net is faster than WPX hosting. So that's why I have created an account on Rocket.net. As you can see, so there is zero site because I have not migrated my site yet. It is still on WPX hosting. As you can see here, my site is still on WPX hosting. I have been using WPX hosting from last 2 years and literally I have not faced any difficulties, but the site speed is not as good as I was expecting. So that's why I created an account on Rocket.net and let me show you. I have created a ticket to migrate my site from WPX hosting to Rocket.net. As you can see, I have created this ticket. So I hope they will migrate my site within 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so I'm going to show you my website speed with WPX hosting. So as you can see right now, my site is on WPX hosting, blogginglift.com. So let's see what is the speed of my site. Okay, what is the page speed score of my site. So before showing you my page speed score, I want to show you one more thing. So it's an honest review. It's not like I have deactivated the caching plugins or other plugins to show false result. Okay, so it's not like that. As you can see, asset cleanups, blogginglift.com. Okay, as you can see my site blogginglift.com, asset cleanup has activated. Okay, it is already activated. And WP Rocket Premium plugin, it is a caching plugin, it is also activated. So it's not like I have deactivated the plugin to show you the wrong result. It's not like that. It's an honest comparison between WPX and Rocket.net. Okay, so let me show you what is the score of page speed score of my site. So let me enter my site name, https blogginglift.com. So right now it is on WPX hosting. Okay, as I already show you, and all the plugins, caching plugins and everything is activated right now. Okay, so it is taking some time. So 75%, 76%, it will be complete very soon. So let's see what is the speed score. So as you can see, so that's the reason I was planning to migrate to Rocket.net, that in the case of mobile I am not getting good score. It is 55, and in the case of desktop it is good. No doubt, it is good, 91 is good, but in the case of mobile it is still 55. So this is the home page, but if I talk about some of my articles, like let me open any one of, let's check the page speed of suppose this article. So in the case of article it is very poor. So let me show you. So let's analyze the page speed for this article. That is my One Funnel Away Challenge review article. The main problem is that in the case of article it is not good, it is very poor. So let's wait for some time. It is loading, 83%, 84%, and I think now it should be complete. So let's wait for some time. So it is still loading. As you can see, page speed score of my articles, as you can see, it is 20, and in the case of desktop it is 83. Not good, not bad. Okay, but in the case of mobile, as you can see, it is 20. Now let me show you one more thing. So let's check the page speed on GTmetrix, https://blogginglift.com. So let me open, let's test this website speed on GTmetrix as well. Okay, so this is an honest review. As you can see, I have shared everything, like I have not deactivated any plugin to show false result. I am getting good page speed score for home page, but not good. It is very poor in the case of my articles. Okay, so it's analyzing my site. So wait for some time. So let's see what is the page speed score. That is my website speed according to GTmetrix. Okay, so it's completed. So it's good, not bad, it is very good. According to GTmetrix, my page speed is score is A, performance score 94, structure score 4%, LCP 1.4 second, and total page load time is 1.4 second, as you can see here. So hello friends, this is the part 2 of my video. As you can see, now my site has been migrated to Rocket.net hosting. So let me show you. Let me scroll down. As you can see, blogginglift.com. Okay, so now my site is on Rocket.net hosting. So migration process has been completed. So let's see, my site speed has improved or not. Okay, so first I am going to open Google Page Speed Insights, and let me enter my website URL, that is blogginglift.com. So let's click on Analyze button and let's see my page speed score has improved or not. Okay, so I will also share with you what was my previous score with WPX hosting. So it is taking some time. Okay, so 78%, 79, 80, 81. So it will complete within, I think, 10 to 12 seconds. It will be complete. So 87. Okay, so as you can see, my previously with WPX hosting mobile score was 55 and now it is 82. Improved a lot. Okay, from 55 to 82. With WPX hosting it was 55 and now it is 82 with Rocket.net hosting. Let's check desktop score. Okay, so desktop score with WPX hosting was 91. With WPX hosting, this score was for desktop, it was 91, and after migrating, it is 99. Okay, for mobile devices from 55 to 82, and for desktop devices from 91 to 99. So yes, it improved a lot after migrating to Rocket.net hosting. Okay, so now let's see page speed score of my One Funnel Away Challenge review article. I am going to compare the same article. Okay, I'm going to check the page speed score of the same article, that is my One Funnel Away Challenge review article. Let's see the ranking of the page speed score of this article has improved or not. Okay, so I will also share what was my previous score with WPX hosting. So please wait for some time, it is still loading. 81%, 82, 83, 84. So it will take some time, hardly 10 to 15 seconds. Let's wait. I hope it should complete now. 88, 89. So it is still loading. Okay. So page speed score is for mobile device is 34. With WPX hosting it was 20, and with the Rocket.net hosting now it is 34. So it improved, but still it is not good. Okay. And let's check the desktop score. Okay, so desktop score is 93 now. With WPX hosting this score was 83. Okay, with WPX hosting this score was 83, and with Rocket.net hosting now it is 93. So yes, it improved, but for mobile devices it is not good. Okay, but yes, after migrating to Rocket.net, page speed score has definitely improved a lot. Okay, so now let's check the GTmetrix score of my home page, that is blogginglift.com. So let me enter it, blogginglift.com. So let's test it. And one more thing guys, if you are planning to purchase WPX hosting or Rocket.net hosting, then please use my affiliate link. The link is available in the video description. If you will use that link, then I will get a small commission without costing you anything extra. So please use my affiliate link if you are planning to purchase. So previously with WPX hosting this score was A, and with Rocket.net hosting it is still A. Okay, performance score was 94% with WPX hosting, and now it is 96% with Rocket.net hosting. Structure score was 94% with WPX, and now it is 93% with Rocket.net. Previously with WPX hosting it was 1.4 second, now it is 1.1 second. So TBT was 105 millisecond, now it is 139 millisecond. And CLS is still same with WPX and Rocket.net. Okay. And yes, total page load time was 1.4 second with WPX hosting, and now 1.1 second with Rocket.net hosting. So overall, I can say that after migrating my site from WPX hosting to Rocket.net hosting, obviously it improved my page speed score, okay, and site speed. So if you are planning to purchase, then link is given in the video description. Thank you for watching, friends.